YouTube? It's your boy BDG, man, and we back at it again on another banger. And in today's video, y'all, I'm going to be showing you how to get live animated wallpapers in your background on your PC. So if that sounds lit, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. And other than that, let's go ahead and get onto the video. So first things first, you guys are going to want to go ahead and have a Steam account and have the Steam application on your desktop. And then once you guys have that, what you're going to want to go ahead and do now is actually go ahead and open up Steam. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. And then once you open up Steam, you're going to want to look up this program right here called Wallpaper Engine. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. So go ahead and look up Wallpaper Engine. And yes, guys, unfortunately, it is not a free application, but it's only $4, which is very inexpensive to a lot of people. And it's a really good application because all the features are literally in the app. So what you guys are going to want to do is literally just put it in your cart, buy it. And then once you have it, go ahead and open up the application. For some of you, the application might actually be in your library right after you purchase it. But for other people, it might just go straight to their desktop. So just go ahead and open it up once you find it. And then once it opens up, you guys are literally going to get to see all the wallpapers that you can have live on your desktop. So just go to Discover right here. And then as you guys can see, there's tons of categories with different types of wallpapers. You even have a search bar, so if you guys wanted to search anything specific, you could also do that as well. But honestly, I like where it says popular cartoon wallpapers because I like, the popular cartoon stuff. It's pretty cool. So we're just going to go ahead and look at a few of these and just see which one I'm going to go ahead and install to my background. But yeah, guys, you literally have numerous options and it's only $4 and it's a one-time purchase. So in my opinion, I personally think that's worth it for sure. But we're going to go ahead and go with this Rick and Morty one. I think it looks really cool. So what you guys are want to do is go ahead and subscribe to it. And then just go ahead and press OK once it downloads. So we're going to go ahead and press OK now. And just like that, you guys got a new live animated wallpaper, which is really cool. And honestly, y'all, you're really just paying for convenience at this point because it was super fast and easy to set all this up. But if this helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, drop a comment down below, and share this with all your friends and family. It's been your boy BDG, and I'm going to catch you on the next one. Taco Gang.